Want to take night mode photos on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max? Here's how to turn on Night Mode Max and take 30 seconds long exposure shots for jaw-dropping astrophotography. So if you open the camera app, if you're not in a dark environment, then you won't have the night mode toggle. So when it gets darker, you'll see the night mode icon will appear. If you tap on it from here, you can toggle it off or toggle on the night mode auto. But this can only give you 3 seconds of night mode exposure, which is fine if you're not doing something crazy like astrophotography. And if you're into that, then to unlock 30 seconds exposure, you'll need to swipe up from the bottom to open more options, then tap on night mode, and boom, that enables night mode max. And now the exposure time will go up to 10 seconds. So how do you get it up to 30 seconds? You'll need to keep your iPhone totally still, so you either need to rest it on something or set up a tripod or stand. So now you're ready to take pictures of the Milky Way galaxy or make art using lights. Hope this helped. Enjoy!